Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla to recall over 53,000 FSD Beta cars over rolling stop feature, fixed to be released through over-the-air update. Elon Musk accuses AP reporter of being a lobbyist, sets fans against him on Twitter over Tesla recall article. Tesla FSD Beta 10.10 release notes leaked ahead of official release. And Tesla Model 3 wins title of best-selling EV in the world for the fourth year in a row. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Tesla will be recalling 53,822 vehicles in the United States that are equipped with the company's full self-driving beta software. The recall was initiated due to the system's ability to perform rolling stops, which was introduced to the FSD Beta program back in October 2021 and which may increase the risk of collisions. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA), the recall covers Model S and Model X from the 2016 to 2022 model years, 2017 to 2022 Model 3s, and Model Ys from the 2020 to 2022 model years. To address the issue, Tesla would be releasing an over-the-air software update that would disable the FSD Beta vehicle's rolling stop functionality. Tesla has so far not provided a comment about the matter. The company mentioned last week, however, that its FSD Beta fleet is increased to almost 60,000 vehicles. This should help Tesla gather valuable real-world data that can further help the company develop and refine its advanced driver assist systems, such as autopilot and FSD Beta. FSD Beta's rolling stop functionality is designed to allow a vehicle to travel through an all-way stop intersection without coming to a complete stop at speeds of 0.1 to 5.6 miles per hour. According to the NHTSA's safety recall report, Tesla and the NHTSA met on January 19, 2022, to discuss FSD Beta's rolling stop feature, including its operating parameters. A recall determination was voluntarily made to disable the feature on January 20, 2022. Tesla notes that so far, the company is not aware of any warranty claims, field reports, crashes, injuries, or fatalities that resulted from FSD Beta's rolling stop function. That being said, Tesla did note that a fix for the issue would be rolled out through firmware release 2021.44.30.15, which should disable the rolling stop feature. No action is necessary among Tesla drivers whose vehicles are affected by the recall. Tesla will disable the rolling stop functionality on affected vehicles, starting with firmware release 2021.44.30.15. Firmware release is expected to begin deployment over the air to affected vehicles in early February 2022. The disablement will carry forward in this firmware release and later releases. No further action is necessary from owners who install this firmware or a later release on their vehicles. Tesla does not plan to include a statement in the Part 577 owner notification about pre-notice reimbursement to owners because there is no paid repair relating to this recall's underlying condition, and owners will receive the remedy free of charge through this firmware release or a later release, the NHTSA wrote in the recall report. Moving to the next update, Elon Musk accuses AP reporter of being a lobbyist, sets fans against him on Twitter over Tesla recall article. Elon Musk is accusing an Associated Press reporter of being a lobbyist over an article about NHTSA's recall of Tesla vehicles in the full self-driving beta program. Now, Tesla fans are attacking the journalist on Twitter. The biggest news dominating the Tesla universe today is the recall notice that NHTSA issued about Tesla's rolling stop feature in full self-driving beta. The feature enables Tesla vehicles to not stop completely at an all-way stop if it detects no other vehicle or pedestrian. Instead, it slows down to about 2 miles per hour and continues. It's something fairly common that drivers do when approaching an all-way stop, but it's technically not a legal driving maneuver, and police can give a traffic violation ticket to someone caught doing it. Tesla appears to have implemented the feature to try to mimic normal driving behavior, but NHTSA couldn't allow the automaker to literally program a driving habit that deemed a traffic violation and potentially dangerous. So, NHTSA pushed Tesla to initiate a safety recall in the form of a software update that is going to remove the feature. Elon Musk took issue with some of the reporting around the recall and directly accused Associated Press reporter Tom Krischer of being a lobbyist instead of a journalist. The Associated Press article on the recall was rather matter-of-fact, but Elon Musk, through his response to Holmar's catalog, a Twitter account run by Musk superfan Omar Kazi, seemed to particularly take issue with AP's headline, "Tesla Recall, Full Self-Driving Software Runs Stop Signs." As for Musk's claim that there were no safety issues, that wasn't AP's claim. NHTSA qualified the feature as a safety risk and wrote the following in the recall notice. Entering an all-way stop intersection without coming to a complete stop may increase the risk of collision. As for the claim that Krischer is a lobbyist, Musk doesn't seem to have based the claim on any evidence other than Krischer's perceived behavior, as mentioned in Musk's tweet. Krischer is a 16-year veteran of the Associated Press and has no known links to lobbying. We would love to hear from you about this, so share your thoughts in the comments. Moving to the next update, Tesla FSD Beta 10.10 release notes leaked ahead of official release. Tesla's full self-driving beta software has been in headlines after the NHTSA issued a recall. According to the recall notice, Tesla will remove the functionality in the 2021.44.30.15 software update. Wasting no time, Tesla released it to the Early Access program recently. The update not only includes the removal of rolling stop, it surprisingly also includes the next version of FSD Beta, version 10.10. According to a screenshot of the release notes that have leaked ahead of the wide release, the update includes a number of improvements related to scenarios involving intersections. One such improvement is to improve the handling of flashing red light traffic controls by adding more caution for events where crossing vehicles may not stop. Moving to the last update, Tesla Model 3 wins title of best-selling EV in the world for the fourth year in a row. For the fourth straight year, the top-selling electric vehicle in the world was the Tesla Model 3, with over 500,000 units sold, according to data compiled by Clean Technica. Last year was a big year for EV sales, having 3 record sales months in the last 4 months of the year. Overall, fully electric vehicle sales grew 71% year-over-year. While it was not a record-breaking year for year-over-year sales, it was still strong. On the other side, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles saw an impressive 108% jump in 2021. Some within the industry believe that plugless hybrid vehicles may have reached their peak in 2021. Plug-in hybrid and fully electric vehicle sales continue to dominate, while plugless sales are starting to dwindle. It will be an exciting trend to track in 2022. Tesla took 2 out of the top 5 spots in best-selling electric vehicles globally. We should note that according to Clean Technica, this might be the last year at the top of the list for the Tesla Model 3. That's not bad news though, as according to projections, the Model Y looks primed and ready to overtake the Model 3 as the best-selling model in the world in 2022. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.